In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI video in Filmora. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Filmora's AI video tools and how to use them in a clear, confident way, whether you're starting from an image or writing a prompt from scratch. First, open Filmora on your computer. From the welcome screen, create a new project so you're working on a clean timeline. This gives you a fresh canvas and makes it easier to see what the AI generates without distractions. Once your project is open, look for the stock media section in the interface. This is where Filmora groups a lot of its built-in resources and AI helpers. Click on stock media to open it. Inside, you'll see options for image to video and text to video. Both create an AI-generated clip, but they start from different places. If you already have a picture you love and want to bring it to life with motion, choose image to video. If you want Filmora to create visuals entirely from a written idea, choose text to video. Pick the path that matches your goal. Let's start with image to video. Select it and upload your image. High-quality, well-lit images usually produce clearer results, so use the best version you have. After the image loads, type your prompt. Think of the prompt as simple directions for style and movement. Be specific about mood, motion, and look. For example, you could describe a slow cinematic push-in, a dreamy soft focus feel, or a dynamic handheld vibe. Mention colors or atmosphere if they matter to you, like warm sunset tones or a neon city style. Clear, concise prompts tend to work best. When you're happy with your description, generate the video. Filmora will process your request and animate your image based on what you wrote. Give it a moment to finish. Now, let's look at text to video. Choose that option if you're starting from an idea rather than a picture. Type a focused prompt describing what you want to see. Include the subject, setting, and style, plus any motion cues. For instance, you might specify a calm landscape with gentle camera movement, a fast-paced tech montage, or a minimalist product scene with clean lighting. Short, direct sentences often yield more predictable results. When your prompt feels clear, click Generate to create the AI video. Filmora will build visuals that match your description. That's it. By opening Filmora, creating a new project, heading into stock media, and using either image to video or text to video with a thoughtful prompt, you can quickly produce compelling AI videos inside your project.